Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm ready. All right. Okay, let's play low game. Let's go. Okay, we did it. Now I'm supposed to look for a code for a padlock. Okay. Wait, let me switch my knife. Yeah, there we go. Okay, where am I going? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What was it? No. Where am I going? This way? No. Okay. No. Wait. Let me dual wield. There we go. Much better. Man. Your mobile phone can be used as a source of light for navigating dark areas. Thank you very much. Press mouse 1 to activate light. Mobile light does not require batteries. Oh, thank goodness. You always do your mobile light and a dim light will be shining. Okay. Alright, let's go. Watch the corners. Do I really need to go this far for a code? What is it? Do I need to go in here? I don't need this right now. Okay. Okay, now. Let's go this way. Left. Right. Okay. Man. Where am I? Yeah, let's go. Which way? Okay. Check the corners. Ah! Check the corners. Okay. Mom, I miss you. Please wait for me. Whoa! Oh. Nah, that corridor's blocked. Hello? Man. Where is everybody, bro? Huh? Can I find the code here? No. No, I don't have. Okay. So I need the password and a username. I hope that's just the wind. Let's go. Alright, bro. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Come on, bring back your stamina, because I need time to run, bro. Yes, breathe. In and out. In and out. In and then out. Come on now. Is it? Let's try it. Maybe I can go outside. Maybe there's another place. Can I go in here? No. Can I go in here? No. Let's go back. There's a staircase here. Oh! A paper! Hold on. Who's this? Dora David. Is that the username? Do I need to write that down? Dora David. Okay, so I got the username. That's good. Yes, don't son. Huh? Alright. Let's go, Dora David. This is David. Alright. Is that the password? Is the 114 password? Okay. It's not. Okay, so I need to keep looking. What's my objective again? Find the code. Still the same thing. How do I get over this counter? I'm supposed to run and jump? Okay, this isn't working well. Let's go outside. Is there like a different route that I should be taking? What's this? Man, I managed to get the name, right? So, like, let me just think of something else. Let's see. The only place I haven't checked is over the corridor. Over the counter. In that room and that room. Maybe there's... Just don't blame me. Where's the save menu? How do I save it? Suspend mouse. Bro. What's my name? Steven? Is it my name? Alright, I think I found something. I think the name was Excelsior? No, with the S. Oh. There we go. Then, unforgettable. Hold on, I hope, please, come on. What? Hold on, let me try it again. Excelsior. Unforgettable. Come on. What? There's no way, bro. Alright, man. It says Dora David, so is this a name? How can you just put a name without a password? So, where's the other piece? Do I need to go back? Let's come now. Come now. Man, let me just. Okay, so Dororo David is the name. That's the name that we got. So if what? Okay, let me just try again. I know, it must be somewhere. A note. Wait, what's it? That did I explore that corridor? No, I don't think. Man, here's the note, bro. What's that? Rose. Okay, it's Rose Serad. Rose. Here we go. Oh yes. Oh yes. Now I can progress further into the game. Shift, bro. Okay, no, don't shift. Never mind. There we go, There we go. There we go. Okay. Come now. Is Dorora David. And then we have Rose. We have Roses. Oh, roses are. You're kidding, right? Red. Right? What? Oh, must I put it in caps? Okay. Roses are red. Roses are red. What do you mean? Did I misspell it? Man. Let's go back, man. Let's go back. They better not have changed the name, bro. If they change the name... Yes, it's Dorara David. And roses are red. Roses are red. Oh, is it? Wait, maybe I should switch it. I'm gonna put roses are red as the name. Maybe I should put it as a name. Roses are red as the name, and Dorora David as the password. Let's try that. What is roses? Wait, roses are red. Doro David. You're kidding, bro. No, not caps, bro. David. Roses are red. There we go. Hey, whoa. Please, no, not with my, okay. Easy. Hey, who are you? Who's that? Show yourself. Where is he? Now, get me out of here, please, go. I swear, if he jumps around the corner, I'm gonna be mad. Huh? This is... Yeah, this is the way. Hey! Okay. I got the code. It was 3184, if I remember right. Hey! Okay. Let's go. It's quiet. I don't like how quiet it is. Is this the way? Alright. Hello? Help you. Help me, bro. I need help. This is horrible. Let's go. What was it? 3-1. Okay, here we go. 3184, right? Oh, whoa. Ah, damn it. It's 3184. There we go! Come, let's go. Hello? I have my knife. Where's my knife? Wait. This is faster than equipping through the inventory, and you can save your life. Can I save? What's my objective? I don't have an objective? I don't like this. Okay, let's go. Hey! Come on, let's go. The exit! Okay. Where to? This way. Hello? No, I don't like that. I swear, I have a knife. I'm ready for you, bro. I'm ready, big bro.
What the?
Look to the right. Check! Bro! Oh. Where's the knife? Look to the right. Okay. I'm ready. So, where's my knife? What is that? You can save your game at any location with the tape recorder. Thank you. You are allowed to save up to 5 individual saves for multiple playthroughs. Saving requires a tape in nightmare mode. The tape can only be used 5 times. Did I save it? I would like to save it, thank you. Let's go! Yes, I think we should stop right there. Thank you everybody for watching. This is Danny. This is Cry of Fear. Very beautiful game. Thank goodness that I was able to play this one. And I hope you all enjoyed it. So thank you very much. and I'll see you next time.